Hi there, students. Cupidity, a noun, usually uncountable. Okay, cupidity is extreme greed. Somebody who wants money, 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 money. Politicians are well known for their cupidity and greed. They are so blinded by cupidity that they would do anything for wealth and power. As a posh Gordon Gekko might say, cupidity is good. So, cupidity, the extreme desire for wealth, a lust or a lusting for money and power, covetousness, avarice, an overwhelming drive to get money and material possessions. Now, I'm sure you all know Cupid, you know, the little angel with the wings and his bow and arrow. Well, it's like Cupid's arrow has hit you, but for money, and you've fallen in love with money. It's the only thing that you want. It doesn't just have to be money. It could be power and possessions as well. But this is wanting status through important things. So cupidity can easily be a man's undoing. Hernan Cortés went to Latin America driven by the cupidity of the Spanish crown. He was sent to invade Latin America and get as much cash as he could. So, cupidity, a rapacious desire for cold, hard cash. Cupidity blinds people to the things that are really important in life. When he sold his grandmother, the real depth of his cupidity became clear. So, notice this word cupidity it's a formal word. It sounds very literary. If you use it in a conversation in the pub, people are going to say, what? So informally use the word greed. I think I'd probably give cupidity an 8 out of 10 in formality. So if you were writing a poem, this is a brilliant word to use. If you were writing a descriptive essay, great. But for something informal, no, use the word greed. So cupidity comes from the Latin verb cupere, to desire, or Cupid and Cupid's arrow. So cupidity, blinded by the desire for wealth, extreme greed, lust for money. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cupidity.